Are you in need of a powerful tool like this Weekend Warrior for your shop? We're gonna go over today and kind of explain what this thing does and why it would be super useful to a lot of you out there. The Weekend Warrior here is a wet blasting machine that is going to revolutionize the way that you do surface finishing in your shop. What is used in this cabinet is an abrasive and water to give a surface finish to many different parts, whether it's restoration, motorcycle, automotive, preparation for different coatings. But looking at this machine as a whole, the inside of this machine is 33 inches wide, 30 inches deep, and 28 inches high. On this machine, you'll receive more of the basic features like the window rinse, standard regulator, internal lighting. This machine can come open or closed loop. So depending on if you have water in your shop or not, if you have a place to drain or not, it kind of dictates whether you're able to run open or closed loop. Inside, you also have the internal rinse down nozzle. So that's a little bit about this machine. Now, who can use this machine? Pretty much anybody out there. If you're doing parts restoration, cleaning, work for automotive, motorcycle, even CNC, and many more industries across the board, you could absolutely utilize one of these machines. What we're gonna be using it for today is this part, but this machine here is meant for, let's say, a couple or a few days a week use. It's more of a baseline hobbyist level machine that's gonna fit about 85% of parts across the board. So if you're a lower volume shop, more of a hobbyist application, this machine is definitely for you. But for this part here, we have some rust on the bottom of it. We have some threaded areas. We have grease, grime on this part. So we're gonna show you why this process is so superior to a lot of other processes out there. So stay tuned. Just wait for the result of this part because you're definitely gonna be amazed by it. So here we are looking back at our final product. As you can see, the finish is impeccable. I used a glass bead aluminum oxide mixture on this, which is something that's unique to this process that will both remove rust and heavy buildup and polish at the same time, so you don't have to switch out abrasives. But this is the end result of what I got. Now, a little bit about this part. On the bottom here, there are some different threaded areas. Vapor honing does not ruin those threaded areas. So you may have to plug them off with other processes out there like a dry blast, but with vapor honing, since it's not doing the cleaning by impact, it's doing it by flow, it's not gonna damage those threaded areas. It's not gonna pack in those tight areas, but also you get a much smoother finish. It's not gonna pit. No media will embed in the surface. There's no warping because of heat friction. So it's super safe for parts and the operator. You also have no dust, which is how it's a little bit safer for the operator. Overall, a lot cleaner, a lot safer, a lot better of processes for the operator and the part itself. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.